Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Ikea haul. Is it an Ikea? At Ikea? An Ikea? Yeah, because you use an for a vowel. So I went to Ikea and picked up a few little things. I didn't go crazy because you could easily do that, and I had Adam with me and he is the sensible one of the two of us, let's just say. This is my little box from Ikea. So I actually went to Ikea for one thing. I'm not kidding whenever I say I went for one thing, because I did. I went for a light bulb that I needed because I have bought a new lamp and I needed obviously a lamp or a light bulb to go with the lamp, and I knew that I needed a specific type, and any that I'd seen were just really expensive. So I picked this up from Ikea. It was only £6 as far as I remember, and it kind of looks like a big circular one. Quite hard to see obviously because it's a light bulb, but you kind of get the idea that it's a big circular one, and it just screws into the top of your lamp. So I think this is the one I need, and I'm waiting on my lamp coming this week, so hopefully by the end of the week I should know if this will work or not. So that was the only thing I went to Ikea for. Then as you're walking around you can't help yourself but pick up a few bits and pieces. And I saw this here little vase. This was 50p. I mean, I could not. For 50p I could not. It's just a little tiny vase. I thought it would be nice to put some flowers in. It's not very big, but I thought it would just be cute, and for 50p I couldn't leave it sitting there. Whenever I was walking around I saw this one as well. This one was slightly more expensive. I think it was maybe about £2. I thought it was quite nice as well. Something a little bit different. Again, it has quite a small opening at the top, but I thought it was a little bit different. So I picked that up. Then you can't really go to Ikea and not pick up a candle. So I picked up two different ones. They were, as far as I remember, they were 85p. I think they were 85p because they're the slightly bigger ones. So I picked up a raspberry one, which smells very delicious. I do like raspberry scented. Oh, it's actually raspberry and strawberry. I didn't see the little strawberries on the label, I just saw the raspberries. So I picked that one up for spring and summer. And then the other one I picked up was apple and pear, I think this one is. I've had this one before and I've absolutely loved it. It really does smell like crisp apple. And for 85p I couldn't resist. I also picked up some sandwich bags because we go through a lot of sandwich bags in this house, and every time I'm in Ikea I just grab a new box of them. So we go for the 2.5 litre and the 1.2 litre, and this time they are yellow. The ones we had previously were grey. So I picked that up. I picked up, I've put this plant in this, but I picked up two of these little pots. I think they were £2 maybe, possibly something around that. They weren't overly expensive. So I picked up two of those for two plants. I'll show you the other plant in a minute. So this is the first plant I picked up. No idea what it's called. It says Camadioria elegans. No idea what that means. But elegans is a worm. Is it not? I don't know. Anyways, I thought it was nice. It looked nice. I hopefully will not kill it, because I'm not particularly good at looking after plants. I tend to overwater them and then I leave them to dehydrate for a long time. So hopefully I will keep this one alive. So if you have any idea what this is called, please let me know, because I would be quite interested in knowing what it is. So that was plant number one. Plant number two is this little one, and he's so cute. See, look at him, he's so adorable. He is a succulent, and he was, I think he was £2. I think all the succulents were £2. I thought this one was quite nice, and he will go in this one. Yeah, I mean it's a little bit small for it, but he'll grow hopefully. So that was plant number two. Then I picked up a storage box because we did need a new storage box, and this was I think £2 something, and then you had to buy the lid separately, so it came to £3. So I thought they had loads and loads of different storage boxes, but we just needed something kind of small to fit under our spare bed. So that is everything that I picked up in Ikea. Like I said, it wasn't a very big shop. I tried to contain myself to buy things I really needed, which I can genuinely say was only the lamp bulb, but I managed to put in a few other bits and pieces that weren't overly expensive. I restrained myself like the good person that I am and only bought things that would be of use. Make sure you do hit the subscribe button for more content to come, and hit the little bell so that you know whenever a new video is released. I know that YouTube has changed basically their announcing, like sending out announcements for whenever new videos have gone up, so if you don't hit the little bell you won't know if a new video has gone up. And give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!